Es tiempo para aumentar nuestro vocabulario. Now it's time for us to learn some more words to feel familiar with Spanish, right? Let's start with units of time. Vamos a empezar con unidos de tiempo. Un segundo means a second. Un minuto, which means a minute. Una hora, which means an hour, right? Un día, a day. Un mes, a month. And un año, which means a year, right? So you can see I've used indefinite articles which also give us the gender of these words. Un segundo, masculino. Un minuto, masculino. Una hora, femenino. Un día, masculino. Un mes, masculino. Y un año, masculino. So these are the words that we use for representing time in Spanish. Los meses del año, months of the year. Enero, January. Febrero, February. Marzo, March. Abril, April. Junio, June. Julio, July. Agosto, August. Septiembre, September. Octubre, October. Noviembre, November. Y, which means and. Diciembre, which means December. If you see, so E, when I say E, it means and. I know it's written as Y, but in Spanish, this is pronounced as E, English E, and it means and. And how to say or? Oh, simple, just O. Oh, SOS. Alright, so these were months of the year. Very, very similar to English. Won't you say? Los días de la semana. El lunes, Monday, right? I'll not use the article anymore. Martes, Tuesday. Miércoles, Wednesday. Jueves, Thursday. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Saturday. Domingo, Sunday. If you observed what I did here, I wrote D capital, so then I rubbed it off and to make it D small, because in Spanish you do not capitalize days of the week. So you never write something like lunes. You always write it in small letters, lunes, like that. So you do not capitalize days of the week in Spanish, unlike English, right? So remember that. So once again, el lunes, el martes, el miércoles, all of them are masculine in gender, all these words. So I won't repeat, but remember it's all el sábado. I told you to practice the words with gender, with article el or la. So you remember that. That's why I'm writing this el. El viernes, el sábado, el domingo, right? So these are the days of the week. I know they are a little bit difficult to remember, but you will have to remember. Because that's language. That's how you learn English, by remembering a lot of things. There's an interesting thing about these names. If you see, el lunes, it is derived from la luna, which is moon. El martes is derived from, not derived from, or inspired from the Mars, which is called as el Marte, El miércoles is derived from Mercury. El mercurio. El jueves is inspired from Júpiter. El Júpiter. Jupiter. El viernes is derived from Venus, that is Venus. El sábado is derived from a Hebrew word, Sabbath, which means leisure. Domingo, I don't really remember what Domingo is inspired from, but it comes from Latin actually. So why don't you guys find out? Los números, the numbers. Cero, which means, you guessed it correct, 0. Uno, which means 1. Dos, which means 2. Tres, you got it. Cuatro, 4. Cinco, 5. Seis, which is 6. Siete, 7. Ocho, 8. Nueve, 9. Diez, which is 10. So these are the first 11 numbers, including 0, which is invention of the Aryabhatta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are first 10. That is how to say first, second, third. So in general, they don't say 0th in class. Who came 0th in class? So we'll start with first. So you can say primero or primer, segundo, tercer or o. So how do you say first? Primer or primero. If it's a masculine word which you are describing using first, for example, if you say first student or first boy, so you can say primer chico, right? Or you can also say primero chico, but you can omit o and you can just say primer chico, first boy. Similar with third, tercer chico or tercero chico, right? So both are. But in case of second, it is segundo chico, the second or the second boy. And you can add el front of it. El segundo chico, the second boy, right? Fourth is cuarto, fourth. Quinto, fifth. Sexto, sixth. Séptimo chico, seventh boy. Octavo chico, eighth boy. Noveno chico, ninth boy. Decimo chico, 10th boy, right? How about the singular feminine version of these? So simple, if you say instead of chico, we'll use it for chica. So instead of primer, you say primera, chica, first girl. Segunda, chica, second girl. Tercera, chica, third girl. Cuarta, chica, fourth girl. Quinta, chica, fifth girl. Sexta, chica, sixth girl. Septima, chica, seventh girl. Octava, chica, eighth girl. Novena, chica, ninth girl. And decima, chica, 10th girl. Right? So this is how you say ordinal numbers in Spanish. Of course, we only covered till 10 right now because we are just starting out. So for now, we are good till 10th, right? First, second, third, fourth, and we are good with numbers. All right, I hope you find this easy. And as we move along, we'll learn more words. Once again, if you want to know more about this topic, there's a link in the description about this document, which will have more example and few more notes. So see you in the next video. Hasta la vista. Ciao.